Plot smooth line with PyPlot. I've got the following simple script that plots a graph. As it is now, the line goes straight from point to point, which looks okay, but could be better in my opinion. What I want is to smooth the line between the points. In matplotlib I would have plotted with smooth splines. Is there an easy way to do this in PyPlot? I found some tutorials, but they all seem rather complex.
You could use scipy.interpolate.spline to smooth out your data yourself. Spline is deprecated in Scipy 0.19.0, use bspline class instead. Switching from spline to bspline isn't a straightforward copy-paste and requires a little tweaking. Before. After.
For this example, spline works well, but if the function is not smooth inherently and you want to have smooth version, you can also try. If you increase sigma, you can get a more smooth function. Proceed with caution with this one. It modifies the original values and may not be what you want.
See the scipy.interpolate documentation for some examples. The following example demonstrates its use for linear and cubic spline interpolation. Dot slightly modified for increased readability.
Here is a simple solution for dates.
Catch up time.